This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ashwin వినపడుతుందా?
Sir,
యా అశ్విన్, మీరు నిన్న నాకు
Sir.
కాల్ చేయలేదు, నాకు కాల్ కూడా లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు మీరు.
సార్ నిన్న అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నాను సార్, కొంచెం ఫ్యామిలీ గ్యాదరింగ్.
సరే, క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నాకు కాల్ చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. In our yesterday's session, we have covered these points, right? Terminology in SAS and all we have covered, missing data we have covered, and how to open SAS software and all we have to start with today's session. Correct? Agree, yes or no? Guys, is that fine? Are yaar, someone just respond yaar. Hmm?
అండ్ మోహన్ గౌడ్, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ లాగిన్ అయ్యారా?
వాళ్ళు కాల్ లిఫ్ట్ చేస్తలేరు సార్ ఇంకా.
సరే సరే.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Okay, we'll start. So how to open SAS software? So if you wanted to open SAS software, so once you have installed SAS software in your system, we will provide a desktop shortcut icon. Okay, you see, right? We will provide a desktop shortcut icon. You see, this is how a SAS software icon looks like. And if you double click on this, it will open a SAS software for you. Okay, right. So I'll close it. From the beginning, we can do it. Double click. So you can see here. So now if you see here, this is how a SAS software we open. The moment we open SAS software, we have seen 5 basic windows. This part we have already seen in demo part, right? So we have explained in demo part, but no problem, I can explain one more time. So first one, editor window. Editor window is mainly used to write a program in SAS, correct? Editor window is mainly used to write a program in SAS. Log window is used to identify errors or warnings in your program. Log window is used to identify errors or warnings in your program. And output window is used to present your results, analysis results. Okay, output window is used to display your analysis results. And explorer window is used to store your SAS data sets. Explorer window is used to store your SAS data sets. And results window will maintain a list of all printed results. Results window will maintain a list of all printed results. Right. Okay. Right. So now you can see these are all the basic stuff. These are all the basic stuff. Right. Fine. So I will write a program. So suppose to say this is a sample program you already have in SAS. So if you see here in this program, you see what are the colors you see in this program? In this, what are the colors you can see? So your editor window is syntax sensitive and color codes your program. Okay, right. So first of all, you see, right, data. Data, you see. First of all, you see data in dark blue color. We see what are the colors we see here? Data. So dark color, dark blue color, light blue color, yellow color, black color, and red color. Correct? So these are all the colors you see on the screen. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So dark blue color letters are called keywords. Okay. Dark blue color letters are called keywords. Okay. And the light blue color letters are called statements. Light blue color letters are called statements. And the yellow color background we call it as raw data. I will write, you can note it down. This is important. Basics. So whenever you see any text in dark blue color, these are very important words, keywords. Light blue color letters are called statements. And the yellow color background, we call it as raw data. And black is a general text. And red, you see error. Is that fine? Red color, you see it is an error. Right. So you can see here, this is how it works. Right. Okay. So this is all about the editor window. If suppose to say if you're typing something wrong here, immediately it will display in red color. Okay, red color is symbol for error. Okay, right, right. So red color is symbol for error. Before running the program, we can identify few kinds of errors in our program. Before running a program, we have to identify few kinds of errors in our program. Okay, right. Next is all the points we covered. Editor window, log window. Fine. Next, this is all about your editor window. Log window. Okay, right. Log window, what is the purpose of log window?
To identify the errors.
So to identify errors. Okay, right. And editor output window.
Display the data.
Display the data. Correct. Next. Results window, it will maintain a explorer window is used to store your SAS data sets, and results window will maintain a list of all printed results. Okay, right. So now you can see here, this is all my data step part. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, fine. So this is all my data step part. This is all my proc step part. So now you understood everything, right? Everyone understood this point? All about your, you know, editor window, log window, output window, explorer window, results window. We are all clear on this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Apart from this, you can see we have two windows. Apart from this, we have other points as well. You see, right? This is called command bar. Okay. So below this, all the 5 windows are we are clear. So apart from this, you see, right? First of all, you have first of all you have command bar. A command bar is a place where you can give some commands in SAS. And next one, you see it is a toolbar. Okay, a toolbar. And next one, this is your menu bar. Okay, so command bar is used to give some commands in SAS, and toolbar, you can see these are all your toolbar icons, correct? These are all your toolbar icons. Whatever the icons you are using here, these icons are you know, nothing but subsets of your menu bars. So suppose to say you see new, open, save, print preview. You see, right? File. New, open, save, print preview. You see, right? All these options you see here. Either use from here or use from here, both are one and the same. So if I explain this and this, both will be, you know, time waste. It will be boring for you. I'll show you because we have a menu bar, more options. I'll explain you all the menu bar options. Okay. Is that fine, everyone? Okay with this? Everyone okay with this? Can we go ahead? Right. But before this, I have to explain command bar. I will explain command bar to you. Guys, you guys are clear, right? Editor window is clear to everyone, right? Editor window is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next. So command bar, I'll show you command bar. You can see this is a command bar. So a command bar is a place where we can give commands in SAS. So if you see here, if you wanted to see system date, okay, Xspace date. So before that we have to give X stands for it is an external command. Okay, when I click enter here, your SAS will open date module. You see, right? 12/6/2022. So today is day 12, month is 6 and 2022. So if you wanted to enter new date, you can enter here. Okay, provided if you have admin rights, then only you'll be able to modify dates here. If you don't have admin rights, you cannot modify dates here. Okay, right. Next. Next, if you wanted to see system time, Xspace time. You see, right? 9 hours, 51 minutes, 39 seconds, 0.41 milliseconds. Okay, right. Next. So if you wanted to enter new time, you can enter. And suppose to say, if I give 10% salary hike to these employees, so what is 10% of 98,000?
9,800.
So it is 9,800. Right. So now, if you wanted to, like, you know, I wanted to cross check I am right or wrong. So if you wanted to do that, what we are supposed to do? I need to open a calculator. Correct? I need to open a calculator. So if you wanted to open a calculator, okay, right. So if you want to open a calculator, what to do? So X space calc. Okay. So what we do? We write calc. If you click enter here, what happens? It will open calculator for you. Okay, right. So you can cross check here 98,000 into 10% is 0.1, 9,800. Correct? Clear to everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. Next. Fine. So apart from this, using this command bar, we can also open few types of files in SAS. Apart from this, using this command bar, we can also open few types of files in SAS. Okay. So all that you have to do is you have to write Xspace. So whenever you wanted to open a file from your system, first of all, you should know the exact location where your file is present. Okay, first of all, you have to know the exact location. So Xspace E drive. So previously I have written it, right? You see, wait a minute. So you see, right? You see the exact location, right? You see the exact location, right? E drive test demographic underscore data dot xlsx. You see it, right? So if you know the exact location and if you type that location, right now there are no Excel files opened in my system. You see, right? And the moment you click enter here, your SAS will go to E drive. It will go to the folder test and it will open the file demographic underscore data xlsx. You see it, right? So you are able to open the demographic data file which is present in your system in specific location. Clear everyone, yes or no? Raj, maybe you can ask me a question. Raj, in your case, you exactly know where the file is present. Correct. We exactly know where the file is present. But Raj, for me, I don't know where exactly my file is present. In this case, how SAS software is helpful to me? Akila, you have any question? Right. If you have any question, no problem, you can ask. Fine. So in this case, you can ask me, Raj. So if how SAS software is helpful to me, because I don't know the exact location, I have to go to each and every folder, see where my file is present. So in this case, what we are supposed to do is we will go to Explorer window. So this is how Explorer, whenever we are opening SAS software, this is how Explorer window will show all the icons. So in this, first of all, we are supposed to go this PC. This PC is nothing but my computer, correct? So in what did you see, you are able to see all the drives. In my system, I have C drive, D drive, E drive, correct? I have E drive. Okay, I have E drive. So for example, if I wanted to open a PDF file, I can open PDF file. Correct? Suppose to say if you wanted to open some other type of file, you can open it. Suppose to say if I wanted to open a zip file, you see, right? Zip file. Zip files also I'm able to access. Okay, right. So even I can now open these files as well. Okay, right. So not only this, if you wanted to open a Word document, you can open a Word document. So all that is you need to search, you will be able to search where the file is present and you can access whatever the type of file you want. So here it is not there, it is not there. Suppose to say here I have some information. You see, right? I can access it. Suppose to say here I have some information. Yes, I can access it. Suppose to say here I have some information, I can access it. Okay, so any type of file, Excel file, CSV file, even zip files, if you have seen, right, if you are able to open zip files, Word, Excel are very simple, correct? So you guys got the point, yes or no? If you wanted to access any files from SAS, you can use my computer, go to specified drive, so you can access a Excel file, CSV file, any type of file you can access it. Okay, suppose to say if you wanted to access notepad file, you see it is opening notepad file, Excel file, yes, CSV file, this is a CSV, you see CSV file. You're able to open all types of files, right? Okay, notepad, Excel, CSV, wordpad, what Word document, whatever it is, you can do it. Up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. There is no up arrow, so this is your home page. So everyone understood how to access files from different locations. Even from SAS itself, we can access all types of files. Clear, right? You guys are clear, right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next one, you can see. First one, file menu. First one, file menu. Okay, first one is file menu. Next one, new. You can see, right? This is new. So if you wanted to open a new editor window, okay, if you wanted to open a new editor window, you see, right? New program. If you click on this new program, it will open a new editor window. Okay. And if you wanted to open an existing program, suppose to say yesterday or last week I have written some program. If you want to access that, just click on open program, click on that program. You see, right? Click on that program. Next. Close. Suppose to say I have seen it, I have found it, everything fine. I got a reference. For me now, I don't want it. I wanted to close this file. So if you want to close this file, so just go to file menu, click on close. You see, right? Click on close. Right. So you see, this is a file menu. And append is nothing but combining or joining. Okay, append is nothing but combining or joining. So if you wanted to, whatever the program, suppose to say this data step part, what it will do, it will create a data set DS. So whenever we are creating a data set DS in SAS, so to see this information, where to go, where we are supposed to go, I run a program here. If you see log window, the dataset work.dss, 2 observations and 5 variables. Correct? So if you wanted to see this data file or data set, so where is this data set stored? Where is this data set stored? Data sets are stored in Explorer window. Explorer window is used to store your SAS data sets. Explorer window here, from where you have to go? You have to go to libraries. And here you see work library. Underline this point, this is important. Any data set we create in SAS, by default, your data sets will store in Explorer window, libraries, work library. Any data set we create in SAS, by default, your data sets will store in Explorer window, libraries, work library. Okay, right. So this is the place where your SAS will store your data sets. Right, next. Fine, next. Okay, fine. So now, actually, I have to go to multiple places, open my data set. Instead of doing these many steps, instead of going through many windows and all, so what I can do is, I can write a program so that no need to go here and there and check. I can, so that I'll be able to see automatically in output window. Okay, so for this, I'm supposed to write a code called proc print. Whatever the piece of code I'm supposed to write it here, whatever the piece of code I'm supposed to write here. So this particular piece of code is available in another program. Okay, this particular piece of code is available in another program. So if you wanted to do that, okay, if you wanted to do that, what we are supposed to do? Okay, so you see here, I will show you. Normally, what we do, we will open that program. We will open that program. We copy the code. Control A, copy. The symbol is copy. And come to your program, paste. This is a paste symbol. And finally, close your data set. So finally, close your program. So to get this information here, I have done 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? First of all, I have opened the code, copied it, and pasted it. Right. So you can see, right? Next, you can see. So if supposed to say, I have to open, I have to select, I have to copy, I have to paste, I have to then close. Instead of doing these many steps, simple step, what you can do is, from your file menu, we can use append option. Just go to append and click on that program name. Open. So you got your program here, right? You got your program here, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is easy or previous approach is easy?
This is easy, sir.
This is easy, right? If you still free this, if you still feel this is difficult, you can follow your normal approach. Open that code, copy it, paste it. Okay, you can do that. Clear? Right. So now you understood the concept of append. Append is combining, joining. Append is combining, joining. Right. Next. Save. Sorry, open object. You see, right? Open object. Okay. Open object is something which is used by SAS developers role. Open object is something used by SAS developers role. For us, it is not required. We will not use, nowhere we will use. And save. If you wanted to save a program, okay, if you wanted to save a program, just click on save. We know how to save a document, how to save an Excel file. Same way, similarly, you can do save. Second one, save as. If you wanted to save your program with a different name, then go to that location, type some different name, it will save with a different name. You see, right? Now your program name is changed. And save as object. Save as object is not required for us, correct? Save as object is not required for us, correct? So as I told you, object and all other stuff is used by SAS developers role. For us, it is not required. So in my 15 years experience, I've never used this. It is not related to our concept. And in few companies, you will not even see open object, save as object as well. Because in customization, they remove these options, they get software for less price because they don't want all these options, right? People who don't want these options, they customize and they negotiate with SAS so that they can reduce the price of the software. So they do that. Next. Next, import data. Using SAS, we can import data. Okay, we can read data from different kinds of data sources. Using SAS, we can read data from different kinds of data sources. Okay. Next. So I will show you how to import data. Not how, what all we can import into SAS, I can show you. So you see, right, using SAS, we can read data from these many kinds of data sources. Okay. Using SAS, we can read data from these many kinds of data sources. Clear, yes or no? So you see, right? Microsoft Access, Excel, CSV, Tab Delimited, DBase, JMP, Strata, Paradox, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, all this stuff. Okay, right. So you can read data from all these kinds of data sources. So at the moment, I'll not show you, because if I show you, you will not write a code, correct? So when something is happening without writing a code, people will tend to allow to do that without writing a code only, right? But no worries, I'll show you going forward. I'll show you how to use this wizards as well. Actually speaking, in a real-time scenarios, we will not use these methods. Everything we have to write in a program only. Okay. So I will show you, but I'll not encourage you to use these options. So I'll cancel at the moment. Next, file menu, export data. You can see, right, export data. So from SAS, you can export data into different styles. Okay, right. You see, right, this data DS you can export to these many types. Right. So these are all the same types of files if you notice. Next. Next. So file menu, import, export is fine. Page setup. If you wanted to set up your page. Okay. So A3, A4 and all we can do it, right? If you want to set up your page. You see, right? Page setup. So if you wanted to select A3, A4, left margin, right margin. So if you wanted to do that. So top, bottom. So if you wanted to do that, you can do it. Okay, page setup. And print setup. If you wanted to select particular printer. Okay, right now no printers are installed to my system. If you want to select, you can select. You can go to properties, you can select black and white, color, all this stuff. And sorry, print preview. You can see, right, print preview. So before printing, if you wanted to see a preview, so you can zoom, you can see a preview. Okay, so you can do that. And print, it will directly go to a printer tab. It will ask how many to copy, how many copies to print. Give me a second, guys. Right. So number of copies to print. You want 2, 3, 4, 5. How many you want? You can copy it. Next, how many you want? You can give it count. Print, send mail. If you wanted to send this program as an email attachment, you can do that. When you click this, right? If you click this, you see, right? So we have to. It will automatically connect it to Microsoft Outlook. It will open Microsoft Outlook as a program attachment. It will go as a Microsoft email attachment. In my system, I don't have Microsoft Outlook, so I cannot show it to you now. Next. 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 these are the last 3 programs or 4 programs which we have accessed. JJJ, print, SAS points, sample. These are all the last 4 programs which we have, used. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Next one. Sorry. Battery is out of charge, I guess. Right. So exit will close your entire SAS session. Exit will close your entire SAS session. Right. Next. Edit menu. Edit menu is using edit menu. What we can do, undo. For example, I have typed some text. This I don't want. In this case, what I'm supposed to do? Undo. Control Z. Undo. And redo. You see, right? Redo. Undo. Redo. Okay. Undo. Redo. Next. Cut, copy, paste. So this is suppose is I don't want this particular piece of code here. So what I do, cut, copy, paste, right? So cut, copy, paste, you can see. So if you wanted to go to edit menu, cut, and you can do paste. So cut, paste, we all know, right? Cut, copy, paste, I think we are all masters. And a few people, maybe you are doing PhDs in cut, copy, paste also. PhD degree holders, right? Right. So now, if suppose to say, if you wanted to copy and paste, so you see, right? Copy means you will have this information at this place, and the same time in other place also you will have it. Agree, yes or no? We all know cut, copy, paste, yes or no? We all know cut, copy, paste, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, clear. If you wanted to, clear any text. Okay, if you wanted to clear any text, first select the text. Go to edit menu, click on clear. This clear button is nothing but delete button. This clear option is nothing but delete button. And clear all. So next option is here, right? Clear all. So clear all, you can see if you wanted to clear the entire content present in editor window. Okay. If you wanted to clear the entire content present in editor window, then clear all. You see, right? Whenever I use clear all, it is clearing the entire content, right? Next. So I want it back. I can click this. I got it back. You see, right? This icon also represents clear all. Okay, this icon also represents clear all. Undo, cut, copy, paste. You see, right? Everything you see. And next one, select all. If you wanted to select the entire content, you see, right? Control A is a shortcut key. You can use a select all command. And collapse all. If you wanted to collapse, you see, right? Every step, data step, proc step. As I told you, entire SAS session is divided into 2 steps. One is data step, other one is proc step. So whenever I click on collapse all, it will only show first line of your step. Either it is a data step or proc step, it will show only first line of your particular step. So rest everything it will hide. So if you click on this plus, you see, right, it will unhide. Okay, so this is collapse all. Expand all. Expand all means it will expand all. And if you wanted to search for a text called DS, suppose to say I wanted to search for a text called DS. So if I click DS, find next, it will highlight at what all the places you have DS. And replace. If you wanted to find the text with DS and replace with Raj, is right? Replace, replace, done. So furthermore, I could not find the text to DS to replace. That is what it says the message. So edit menu is clear to everyone, yes or no? Edit menu is clear to everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, view menu. View menu is used to bring back the windows whichever is closed. Suppose to say, unfortunately, I close my, unfortunately, I close my editor window. If suppose to say, if you close editor window, it will ask yes or no, whatever it will ask. You can realize at this point. Suppose to say, I don't want it, I click no. But if you try to close your log window, it will not ask anything. It will automatically close. The same thing with your output window also. Suppose to say I have closed my, unfortunately I closed my log window, output window. If you wanted to bring back those windows, okay, what to do? So just go to view menu. So what window you want? Log window, right? Just click on log. Whatever the position it has closed, same position it will bring it back. Whatever the position you have closed, same position it will bring it back. Go to view menu, click on output. Is right? Output window. Okay, so this is how we can use view menu. View menu is used to bring back the windows whichever is closed, like editor, log, output, explorer, and results. Whatever the window it is closed, you can bring back them from view menu. Is this point clear to everyone, yes or no? Is that clear? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I'll stop this. For today I can stop this here. Tomorrow we will have, we'll continue to take the session. Okay. So tomorrow you have session, same time, and you guys can connect with same link. Okay. You guys can connect with same link. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. That's all for today. So maybe we are done. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you have any questions, you can ask. Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, offline will be there here. Offline or online, I'll communicate. I'm not sure. Maybe for today, tomorrow, I'm not sure. But day after tomorrow, we have a, offline. Okay. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. But day after tomorrow onwards, you will have offline. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Bye, guys. Bye, all. Happy weekend. Bye.